Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Aquarius for the month of November. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of November. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Aquarius, so this is your energy this month, that is a Seven of Pentacles reversed. So this is showing me that you are being little reckless about your finances. You are not thinking too much about planning, investing, keeping your money safe, or even thinking about growing your money. So that is, you are not planning in that way, and you're being little lazy about certain things in life, especially related to your finances. Moving towards the first week, the cards are Knight of Wands reversed, Two of Swords, and the Empress reversed. So this shows me that maybe you have had a situation with your partner where you wanted something from the life and it did not happen. It affected them internally. They were very good. They were very caring and loving, but unfortunately, because of lot of misunderstanding and miscommunication, I believe now they have changed, and this is making you emotionally pretty unstable because they have changed. You must be thinking that this is how they used to be. Was that true, or is this true what they are showing me right now? So that kind of uncertainty is there. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. So other weeks cards are Five of Pentacles, the Lovers reversed, and King of Wands. So this shows me again, yes, see, this person has been somebody who actually cares for you. If this person loves you like hell, and she or he is ready to stand by you in good times or bad, but unfortunately because you have hurt them, somewhere deep down due to your actions, and you are unaware about it, you don't even know that. So what is happening here is you are blaming them for their change of behavior, and they are blaming you for their change of behavior. So it could be like, they really used to be there for you, even when, you were either sick or some, even during some profit, some loss situation, anything. But now you feel you are alone, and they maybe they're actually not there now, but maybe physically they're there, emotionally they are not there. I really don't know, but this has happened. This has, you people have reached here because of some situation. So you need to talk it out. You cannot just keep blaming each other, because that is just getting toxic and toxic day by day, and you're just having a lot of arguments and fights. So you need to clear that thing out. Third week cards are Three of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords reversed. So I am seeing a lot of confusion, miscommunication, difficulty handling things. So that continues, and you people might think of the long term things, and you might, maybe you people, will sit down, talk to each other, or think. I would suggest, don't think about the long term things alone. You need to have your partner with you. You need to talk it out. You need to sit down and talk, because then only healing will start. Otherwise, you people are at a very painful position. And I see by third week you will get an opportunity where you can start healing. So try and make most of this opportunity. Things might be difficult. You need to prioritize your thing, what exactly you want from life, and you need to start taking action towards it. Yeah. The fourth week says Ten of Pentacles reverse, the Hermit, and Three of Pentacles. So I believe that by fourth week, you will start something. You might even go to a marriage counselor, or somebody who's going to give you some advice for better relationship. This person is definitely going to help you out, and there will be some soul searching as well. You will be you will be going slow, you will be thinking a lot, you will be going back to the moments where you will somewhat introspect your own behavior. And I think it is a fault of everybody. It could be something related to your finances also, maybe your this particular nature, that you're not thinking about your finances, you're not taking too much care of your finances, you're just being lazy and careless about money, and maybe your partner is not happy about that. So that could also be the reason. So you need to find out that. And still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. And for the daily and personalized reading, please follow us on Instagram. That's about it. Good luck. All the best.